Hi guys, here's our homework assignment for tonight. So if you have not read the poem Be Humble Even in Your Greatness, please pause this right now and take a minute to go over it and read through it. Once you've read it, I'm going to ask you to do a couple of things and write some notes down. So a key vocabulary word that you're going to need to know for tonight's homework is the word stanza. A stanza is a group of lines in a poem. Each section or group of lines in a poem is called a stanza. It's like a mini poem paragraph almost. Look at your Be Humble Even in Your Greatness poem right now and number the stanzas 1 through 5. So you should have 5 mini paragraphs. Take a minute right now and pause the video so that you can number out all of your stanzas. Okay, so you should have taken some time to number those. So we're going to look at the first stanza right now, or the first group of lines in the poem. It says, be humble, even in your greatness. Be noble, even if you own the stars. Next to those lines on the side on your poem, I want you to write the following notes down. It's what's written in blue here. Even if you are the best at something or are very rich, you should not brag about your success. Also, to be noble means to be gracious or good or dignified. Please write those notes down, and you may add any additional comments that you can think of at this time too. Pause and take a minute to write down your notes. Okay, so now let's go on to stanza number 2. In stanza number 2, the poem reads, for in order to have the prize, you must be humble to pay the price. Your stars will not last forever. Your crowns will not surely endure. Please write the following notes next to that stanza on your sheet. The prize you are looking for in life is not a material object. Things will not last forever. Your prize in life is how you help those around you and how you treat people. That is what being humble means, is to care about those around you more than caring about yourself and thinking about how you can help the people in your life before putting yourself first. Take a minute right now and pause the video and add those notes. Stanza number 3 says, yes, you may have trophies, but it is not an excuse to live a life being humble, to be more than noble. Write these following notes next to that stanza on your sheet. You should be proud of your accomplishments and your awards. There's no reason you should feel ashamed for doing well on things. But you have to be careful that you don't let your success go to your head and cause you to become arrogant or self-centered. Pause and write those notes. My friend, in stanza 4, those whose pride is greater than what is right have already bought a home in the hell zone. So what this stanza means, and you'll need to write these notes down, is people who become overconfident, like He Lion in the folktale that we read, can get themselves into hot water or bad situations sometimes because they're overconfident and they misjudge their abilities and they don't think about the people around them and how their actions are affecting them. Pause and write these notes, please. Okay, we're just about on to our 5th and final stanza. The 5th stanza says, my friend, be humble even in your greatness. And what this means, and if you'll jot down the notes in blue, it is you are great and you can achieve anything you want in life, and you know that I truly believe that about each and every one of you. Be sure to remember to be kind to those around you, though, and to help others whenever possible. That is your greatest gift that you can give in life, to make sure that you are being a good person. Okay, so that is pretty much what this poem means in a nutshell. We'll discuss it more in class tomorrow.